Are you still logging in and out of multiple Google accounts just to claim your weekly PlayPoints perks? It is slow and annoying. Watch this. I just opened 8 different Google accounts and navigated to the claiming page in 5 seconds with one single click. Today, I will show you the easiest way to set up this automation script for yourself. The secret is using Chrome profiles correctly. The best way to do this is to create a fresh profile for every Gmail account you have. First, open Chrome. Click your profile icon in the top right and click Add. You need to create a separate profile and sign in for every Gmail account you want to use. Your very first main profile is usually called Default by the system. The next ones you create will be internally called Profile 1, Profile 2, and so on. Now, here is the trick. We need the internal system name of the profile for our script. In the address bar of your new profile, type chrome://version and hit Enter. Look down the list for the line that says Profile Path. At the very end of that path, you will see the real name. It will say something like Default or Profile Number 4. You need to remember that name. Next, open Notepad on your computer. I have placed the code template in the video description below. Copy and paste that into Notepad. You only need to change the very end of the line. Where it says Profile Directory, change the name in quotes to match the internal name you found in the previous step. Repeat this line for as many accounts as you have. To finish, go to File, Save As. Change the file type to All Files and name it claimpoints.bat. It is very important that it ends in .bat. Now, whenever it is time to claim your weekly prizes, just double-click that file. All your accounts will open instantly. You just have to manually click the Claim button on each tab. Don't work hard, work smart. The code is in the description.